real quick tutorial to make sure you know how to export a file that is usable, readable by me, so that I can check to make sure everything is correct by opening it in Fusion 360. This is different than just a screenshot. This way I can actually check it. So very simple. Previously we've just Shift Command 3, screenshot, you submit it. For this I need you to export a file. So you're going to come up here to I guess I gotta make sure I'm clicked on Fusion 360, and then File, and then you're going to hit Export. When you hit Export, you can name it. I prefer that you put your name there so that I can know whose it is when I download it, so that I can open it up. And then by default it should be on the desktop, but if not, you just check to make sure that it's on desktop. Okay, and then you'd export it. Once you export it, it's going to be on your desktop. You'll find it right there. And so this would be the file that you need to upload in order to have it submitted correctly. I will set it up so that it'll only accept F3D files, which makes it so that I know that you did it right. Otherwise you won't be able to submit it. Okay, thanks and good luck.